In this video, you will get explanation about how to configure Opc Ua for S7-1200 basic controller systems. Add new devices using the project navigation. Select the CPU under Controllers. CPU 1214FC added into project. Opc Ua communication is supported on S7-1200 CPUs with firmware version 4.4 or higher. The CPU enables data access by supporting configuration as an Opc Ua server. As the default setting, the Opc Ua server of the S7-1200 CPU is not enabled for security reasons. Opc Ua clients have neither read nor write access to the S7-1200 CPU. To activate the Opc Ua server of the S7-1200 CPU, go to Devices and Networks from the project tree. Click Server under Opc Ua from the properties of the CPU. Activate the Opc Ua server of the CPU. Activate Opc Ua server. The S7-1200 Opc Ua server does not support the standard SIMATIC server interface. The PLC tags are stored in the SIMATIC address space. S7-1200 Opc Ua servers made visible to Opc Ua clients via a modeled S7-1200 Opc Ua server interface. Configure the PLC IP address and the server port number. Then, go to the Security under Server drop-down menu and create a new server certificate and specify security policies. The Opc Ua server requires a certificate for activation. Kia Portal automatically generates a certificate when you activate the server. You can modify this certificate in the PLC properties. Navigate to Certificate Settings. Create a new server certificate. The Create Certificate dialog appears. Set the requires parameters. In this exercise, choose Self-Signed Certificate. Under Hash Algorithm, using SHA-256. And the usage using Opc Ua server. To run the Opc Ua server for the S7-1200 CPU, a runtime license is required. Switch to Runtime Licenses and select your license from the drop-down menu. And now, we have done the configuration of Opc Ua for S7-1200 basic controller system. Compile the hardware and software of the TIA portal. To do this, right-click the device in the project navigation and select the menu Compile. And then select Hardware and Software. To enable read access for a tag via Opc Ua, you must check the box Accessible from Opc Ua. To enable write access for a tag via Opc Ua, you must check the box Writable from Opc Ua. To configure a tag for Opc Ua, you must check the box Visible in HMI Engineering. Opc Ua clients have read and write access to PLC tags and DB tags if the tags are enabled for Opc Ua. To modeling the S7-1200 Opc Ua server interface, you must assign the PLC tags to S7-1200 CPUs as Opc Ua nodes via an Opc Ua server interface for Opc Ua clients. To add an Opc Ua server interface, in the project navigation, select Opc Ua Communication, and select Server Interfaces. Add new server interface and define the Opc Ua nodes. Use drag and drop to assign the appropriate tags to the interface. Change access rights, browse name or display name if necessary. Right-click the device in the project navigation, and select the menu Hardware and Software Only Changes under Compile drop-down list. To read the data via the Opc Ua client, we need to configure Ua Expert. Start Ua Expert, and click the Add Server button. From the pop-up windows, double-click to add server. In the Custom Discovery List area, enter the URL and the port of the Opc Ua server of the S7-1200 CPU and then click OK. Select an endpoint of the Opc Ua server to which you want to establish a connection. Since no users are stored in this application example, the anonymous field is activated under Authentication Settings. Set the Connect Automatically checkbox and then confirm with OK. From the pop-out windows, accept the server certificate by setting the checkbox Accept the server certificate temporarily for this session. To permanently add the certificate to the UA Expert Trusted list, you must select Trust Server Certificate. You are now connected to the Opc Ua server of the S7-1200. Navigate to Server Interface 1 under Root, then Objects, then Server Interfaces. Drag and drop the tags, Pump Status, and Water Tank Level into the Data Access View area. And now, we can check the result of S7-1200 Opc Ua server from Opc Ua client via UA Expert. We can observe the data in the Data Access View area under Value column. We can see the pump status is changing from false to true, and also can monitor the value changes of the water tank level.